अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। 3 which is perpendicular from the center of the circle on the chord bisect it, means this is perpendicular on the chord which is AB. The perpendicular OM on AB is bisect AB, mean AM is equal to BM. Given is AB is a chord of a circle with center at O, so that OM perpendicular to AB, chord AB, and we prove it. M is the midpoint of the chord AB, that is AM is equal to BM, and construction is join A with O and B with O. Both A and B join with the center. And now we prove it. Statement and reason. In right triangle, they are both right triangle, mean first right triangle OAM and the second is OBM. We compare these two triangles, OMA and OMB. Both are equal and is equal to 90, and it is in the given because OM perpendicular to chord AB. Hypotenuse OA and OB, because hypotenuse is the opposite of 90 angle. 90 angle is here, OMA and OMB, so OA and OB are hypotenuses because here is the 90 angle, and they are same because they are also the radius of the circle. And the next is OM is equal to OM, which is equal to common, and OAM and OBM. Then OAM, triangle OAM is equal to triangle OBM. Right angle triangle, both are equals. Hence AM is equal to BM, which is the midpoint of the, because M is the midpoint of chord AB, so measure of AM is equal to measure of BM, and they are the corresponding congruent triangles, and means OM bisect the chord AB.